Hello, I'm Frank Hartman with the Hartman Law Firm, and I'm a practicing attorney in Charleston, South Carolina, specializing in auto accidents and personal injury. And today we're going to talk about a specific area of tort law called workers' compensation and the importance of potentially having two body parts injured in your workers' comp claim, if that's in fact factually true. The reason why documenting two potential body parts being injured in a workers' compensation case is if you can have that documented in the medical records and, more importantly, noted and acknowledged by the treating physician, sometimes by the workers' comp physician, but oftentimes it's going to be an outside physician that you send for an independent medical evaluation, you will be able to petition the commission, the workers' comp commission that is, for what's called a whole person impairment. To put it in real life terms, let's just say hypothetically speaking that you've got a construction worker who falls off some scaffolding and he breaks his leg. According to the workers' comp tables, his leg is worth a certain number of weeks times whatever his pay scale is, times whatever potential, long-term problems he may have, which usually with a broken leg, you get it set, it's broken, and then after that you're fine. An example of having two body parts injured would be, let's say for instance, the same gentleman who fell off the scaffolding and broke his leg. He's going to walk with an altered gait, and he's going to do so for the better part of 2 or 3 months while he's waiting for that compound fracture in his leg to heal. And because he's walking with an awkward gait, he's putting more pressure on his left leg because he's taking it off of his right, because his right leg is the one that's been broken. So now he's having hip problems and he's having knee problems in his left leg, and more importantly, is shifting up and into his lower back. Because he's walking and putting too much pressure on his left leg, he's now got a degenerative disc problem in his lower back. Two documented issues. You've got the injury to the right leg that's actually caused the problem in the person's lower back. And you've got two injuries according to the Workers' Comp Commission and the Workers' Comp table. Because you have two potential injuries, and more importantly, if you're able to document them with a good lawyer who's worth his salt, I should say, and you document that through the Workers' Comp doc as well as any independent outside doctors, you're going to be able to present both injuries to the Workers' Comp Commission. And because of case law in South Carolina, if you can demonstrate two independent injuries and you can combine the two together and you can demonstrate that for the commission, you can now petition the Workers' Comp Commission for what's called a whole person impairment rating. That changes the entire complexion of your workers' compensation claim, because it goes from just a specific injury that's essentially going to go away with time to something that's potentially long-term and permanent. The commission and the ultimate settlement that you receive as a result from your fall at work would have to be based on your life expectancy. It's no longer just going to be based on the sheer fact that you broke your leg. It's going to be based on the fact that you're living with a long-term injury that's, let's say you're 35 and you're a man, you're going to be living with that for approximately 40 years, and they're going to have to compensate you for it. And more to the point, you can also petition to have your medicals left open. And what that means is because you're going to have ongoing issues, part of your deal with the workers' comp insurance company is they're going to allow you to seek medical treatment for the rest of your life for that particular injury. These and other considerations are the sorts of reasons why you need to have an attorney when you're working at a workers' compensation claim. If you have further questions regarding this particular workers' comp issue or any other comp issue generally, feel free to give me a call at 843-300-7600 or look me up at thehartmanlawfirm.com. And again, thank you for watching.